Welcome to All About. This is one of my favorite colors, YR68. So we're starting with YR68, on top of it, YR65, and at the end, YR61. 61 is like a creamy orangey color. We're underpainting with B01. On top of it, YR68, YR65, yes, 65, and YR61. The bonus combination, I wanted something a little bit more bright. So we're underpainting B01, YR68, YR65, and we're gonna end it with Y17. Remember, we go slower with the last marker. And this is gonna give us a transition from orange to yellow. And this was very easy to find the Prismacolor pencil. It's PC918, which is orange. That's it. We are going to do color with the natural family combination on the left side of the butterfly. We're starting with YR68, no underpaint. I want you to see the depth that underpainting will give to your coloring. This is YR65 and YR61. There was some switching there because I didn't feel that it was blending as I like. This is a very beginner-friendly combination because it blends very, very well. B01 on top of it, YR68, YR65, and YR61. We are switching again here. I think that I went a little bit too fast with YR65. That's why I felt that I needed to switch. This is YR68, YR65, and Y17. I actually like this combination better. I like bright colors. So at the end, you're gonna see how the butterfly looks so beautiful. A little bit patchy, but yeah. Anyway, this is B01, YR68, YR65, and Y17. And it looks so bright. So this is all about YR68. Natural family combination, YR68, YR65, and YR61. We are underpainting with B01, and the bonus combination is YR68, YR65, and Y17. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye.